0, 1. Let's get started.
Hi guys, this is another service call I came last week to do, and I found that the blower motor was bad. It was coming on and off, and also there was a noise in the blower. And it's a very old building and a very old system, but they don't want to change the unit, so I have to work with them, just repair as much as I can. As you guys see, there's a lot of leak in the dock work, and also there was a lot of issues. Still has a water leak. I have to go back and replace the drain pan. But for right now, I'm just replacing the motor, and let's see how it comes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, I removed it. Look at that coil. It's completely cracked. I don't know how this unit was working. That's one of the reasons the blower burned. Wow. This unit is really in bad shape. Okay, so we took the motor out. Let's see the motor. You put it outside? Yeah. So this is the motor. Wow. Look at this. Open the blower that, and I brought a new motor for it. I was gonna get it ready for to install the motor. When I open the blower, this is the situation. Beside the motor is burned. Look at this. This thing is completely bended. So I replaced both wheels, and I replaced the motor. Everything is back together. I'm gonna go to the customer house tomorrow in the morning and install it. These are the things I changed. The two blower wheel, motor comes with a capacitor. It's very expensive. Okay, as I explained last time, that coil is really dirty, so I have to clean this before I put the motor back on. When you go through all this work, taking the motor out, I recommend to clean the coil before you put the motor back on. So this is the product I'm using right now. This is a foam blaster, doesn't need no water, and you guys can, I will put the description in the bottom of the video. You guys can order this online, or you can purchase it through Amazon. Uh, this is one of the best product you can use for situation like this. And the recoil like this, it's hard to clean it without water. So here there's no place that I can use water, and this is the foam that I use for places like this, because there is no way to wash this coil. So I brush the coil, make sure that all the heavy parts are clean, and go up and down. Kaçırdım yarım adım. Evenly spread, especially the corners. It smells good. So what this does, when you spray it, you build the foam. And you let the foam set for 10 minutes, and then you put the blower back on and let the AC runs, and the condensation will do the rest of the job. And then you don't need to wash it and do nothing else, just spray it and let it get clean. So now I'll show you that once you spray it, you can see the dirt pops out from inside the coil. Easy clean itself. So once the condensation comes, all these dirt will go down. This is the best product I ever used. So I will suggest you guys to order one and make sure that you have a couple of them in your trucks, because this is a lifesaver, especially in a very small space like this. You don't have no room to do anything. I mean, even the floor, if you drop any water or anything in the wood floor, damage everything, the ceiling wall. So this is a very easy way to clean the coil.
That's what the mechanism.
Other than that, everything is good. And this other one.